Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, a look at the top stories. Opposition comes down heavily on Home Department. Parrikar says government doesn't have any control over police. Ravi refutes allegations. Parrikar exposes multi-crore alcohol scam in assembly, says Excise Commissioner and other senior officials are involved. Ravi sings Shantaram's tunes. Defense police says Russian girl went out with John. What can the police do? Notorious goon from Madgaon, Tadio Denise killed a lady, stabs and then strangles Tadio. Claims Tadio molested her. And Al Fatah signed 3 Mumbai-based players for GPL. Indian and Deccan Chargers batsman Rohit Sharma will not play for Al Fatah, confirms captain Shadab Jakati. And now let's have a look at what happened at the assembly. There have been many scandals, rapes, robberies and even bomb blasts in the state this year. But despite all this, Home Minister Ravi Naik claims that Goa is one of the safest states. Opposition in a special discussion on law and order cornered Home Minister on all these issues. And this is how the Home Minister defended himself.
आमचे IGP आसा पळय तांच्यांनी एक तांकां कोर्ट जावन हांगा पेपराचेर एक बातमी आयली नेकेड ट्रूथ म्हणून when there are naked people on the beach going against our culture, it is not highlighted, but a dance event in the police station premises is taken wrongly. This should not be done. IGP सांगता आमचो केडी सिंग म्हणून हो अत्यंत भ्रष्ट अधिकारी पुलीस गेले कॅसिनोन बाबा ते कॅसिनोर गेले तांकां आपयल्ले त्यामुळे ते गेले परते वचचे ना अशें म्हणच्या जाग्यार हांवें होम मिनिस्टराच्या क्रेडिटाक ताणें इन्क्वायरी मागलेली पण ताणें इन्क्वायरी मागतकच DGP हाऊ डीड ही कॉमेंट ऑन इट DGPन कॉमेंट केलो ती जशें मनीस ऑफ ड्युटी आसतना देवळान वता चर्चीन वचा तसो तो कॅसिनोन वता म्हणजे देवळान चर्चीन वचप आनी कॅसिनोन वचप एकूच काय कितें चीफ मिनिस्टर सांगतात बायलांनी रातचे किंवा 8 9 10 नंतर भोवू नये म्हणून भायर तो 4 सकाळचो कॉलेजांतलो भुरगो इंजिनियरींग कॉलेज दिसता कॉलेजांतलो भुरगो सकाळचो 4 गाडी घेवन व्हरून मारता इलेक्ट्रीक खांब्याचेर 4 लाख गव्हर्मेंटाची गाडी आनी गव्हर्मेंट कसलेंच एक्शन घेना मागीर पुलीस कित्याक मातसो ना रशियन चलयेचेर जो रेप जाता ताका इंटरनॅशनल हायलायट मेळटलेच कारण पहिल्या दिसा जाली ना ताजेर दुसऱ्या दिसा मागीर शेवटी क्रायम ब्रँचीक दिवची पडली
Detection rate is also higher than all India detection rate. It shows the police are doing wonderful job maintaining law and order. Simply making the allegation against them will not encourage the police force. On the contrary, such allegation will discourage the police force. No doubt there are black sheep everywhere and action is taken against them. Goa is safe. I'm telling you, Goa is safe more than any part of our country.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sunny Narvekar and sub-editor Greta Menezes.
Leader of opposition Manohar Parrikar on Thursday exposed a multi-state alcohol import of rupees 40 crore in the assembly. Parrikar alleged that the scam is carried out in connivance with the state excise commissioner and officials of the state excise department. He also demanded CBI inquiry into the matter. However, Chief Minister Digambar Kamath expressed his readiness only for an inquiry through Finance Secretary.
I am alleging that there is a scam. Excise Commissioner is a part of the scam. That is my allegation. I am ready to prove it if there is a proper authority which investigates it. Not Chief Secretary. कारण Chief Secretary फक्त सध्या committees head करता आणि inquiries करता आणि काहीच करना तो. I am alleging a fraud of about 30, 40, 50 crores. I don't know the actual Is Chief Minister ready to have an inquiry either through CBI because there are 3 states involved?
He has shown the paper.
Let the finance secretary verify. We'll transfer the officer. There's no question.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sunny Narvekar and sub-editor Greta Menezes.
The main accused in the Russian rape case, John Fernandez, is still absconding. Opposition leader alleged that police department is well aware about the whereabouts of John Fernandez. Home Minister maintained told line of Shantaram Naik and said that the Russian victim and John knew each other very well, and if the girl was moving around with John, why to blame the police?
पण म्हाका एक गजाल विचारपाची आसा की ती रेप जातकच जेन्ना कंप्लेन करपाक हे आयली आनी ते कंप्लेन ज्या पुलिशीन घेतली कंप्लेन त्या पुलिशीन ते एसॉल्टाची केस कन्वर्ट करून उडयली त्या पुलिसाची कितें कारवाई जाल्या आनी आयज हायकोर्टान बेल रिजेक्ट करतकच पुलिशीक सारको खबर आसतलो खंय आसा तो एक्यूज पुलीस ताका अरेस्ट करूंक सोदिना म्हूण ताका पयलींच सांगलां आसतलें तूं वच फोकसांतल्या भायर गेली केस की ना म्हयनोभर जालो की ना मागीर तुका बेटे 2 दिसांक अरेस्ट करता तोपर्यंत सगळे एविडन्स सगळे काबार जातले ती फॉरेनर कंटाळून गांवाक वतली हें ताका सांगलां आसतलें हांव आतांच सांगता कितें जाता तें
रशियन गर्ल तुम्ही रेप म्हणटा न्हू ते भुरगे ते जॉना म्हणटे का 2008च्यान वळखता 2000 ना तुमी सांगता तुमी गोवा सेफ ना म्हणटा न्हू ते 9:30 to 2 o'clock बसली सेफ न्हू ते पळय आयक सांगता मागीर तें भुरगें पळय गेलां तें भुरगें कोण थंय गेल्या ती कोणाच्या तरी गाडयेन गेलां तितू पुलीस अलावड आसा अरे बाबा ते आतां चली ती बसली
रेपाचें आमी काय म्हणना रेप जातकच मागीर जे पुलिशीन कंप्लेन इमिजिएटली रजिस्टर करून
तुम्ही
एक्शन घेवंक
तुम्ही कोण म्हणटा की गोवा सेफ ना म्हणटा गोवा इज सेफ आय एम टेलिंग यू गोवा इज सेफ मोर दॅन एनी पार्ट ऑफ द आवर कंट्री और एनीवेयर.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Sunny Narvekar and sub-editor Greta Menezes.
The infamous and notorious goon of Madgaon, Tadeo Deniz, was murdered by a lady on Thursday afternoon. The woman stabbed Tadeo with a sharp kitchen knife and later strangulated him, ensuring a final finish of Tadeo. Tadeo allegedly tried to molest the woman near Simba Bar in Khareband. In return, the woman finished a chapter of this infamous history sheeter. Sources say both the accused and the deceased were under the influence of alcohol.
Tadeo Deniz, the notorious goon of Madgaon, was stabbed by a lady in Madgaon. According to reliable sources, Tadeo, under the influence of alcohol, tried to molest the lady in Khareban. The lady in return pushed Tadeo and stabbed him with a kitchen knife. The woman later strangulated him, ensuring a 100% finish of the goon. The lady's name is confirmed as Filsu, a resident of Beti. Sources claim that the lady and the deceased were under the influence of alcohol. Tadeo Deniz had illicit relations with many ladies across Goa. As per police records, he was wanted in molestation and rape cases by Kolwa and Maina police stations. Tadeo was convicted in 1993 in a rape case for 10 years and was also convicted for molestation in 2005 for 5 months. In 2002, he was convicted for attempt to murder. The incident occurred near Simba Bar at Khareban. The lady, after killing the history sheeter, did not flee the murder spot. With the death of Tadeo, it is a sigh of relief for the Madgaon police, as it was becoming a major nuisance to the police as he was expert in vanishing from the site after committing the crime. A reporter from Madgaon, Samir Bhatt.
Time now for a short break. Stay tuned.